संसद के मानसून सत्र के दौरान दोनों सदनों में हंगामे ने बेहतर कामकाज के रिकॉर्ड पर धब्बा लगा दिया। राज्यसभा के सभापति वेंकैया नायडू की भावुक अपील का भी सदस्यों पर कोई असर नहीं हुआ। आइए सबसे पहले आपको सुनाते हैं राज्यसभा के सभापति वेंकैया नायडू की सदस्यों से अपील।
Honorable members, I rise in deep anguish to place on record the way this August House is being subjected to sacrilege, and that too propelled by a sense of competition among some since the commencement of this monsoon session. Everything said or done, violating, hurting or destroying this sacredness of any place amounts to an act of sacrilege. We are a land of temples, churches, mosques and gurudwaras. These are holy places with demarcated sacred areas which are known as sanctum sanctorum. The Parliament, the apex legislature of our country, is regarded as the temple of democracy. The table area where the officers and reporters of the House, the Secretary General and the presiding officer are seated is considered as the holy sanctum sanctorum of the House. A certain degree of sacredness is attached to this place. In our temples, devotees are allowed only up to this sanctum sanctorum and not beyond. Entering this sanctum sanctorum of the House in itself is an act of sacrilege. It has been happening as a routine for some time. I am distressed by the way this sacredness was destroyed yesterday. While some members sat on the table, some others climbed on the table of the House, perhaps to be more visible with such acts of sacrilege. I have no words to convey my anguish and to condemn such acts. As I spent a sleepless night, last night, I struggled to find out the provocation or reason for forcing this August House to hit such a low yesterday. A discussion on agriculture problems and solutions was listed. There can be difference of opinion and there can be a specific demand from anybody. They could have discussed it in the House, protested and voted against this thing. And you have got every right, members have got every right to demand for it, withdrawal also. But it is for the government to act. You can't force the government to do this or not to do this. Different kinds are admitted by chair. Language used by the list of business is drafted in such a way that it is acceptable to all sections of the House without denting the thrust of the issue to be discussed. It happened yesterday too, and the chair has been doing it for a year. I find it difficult to understand as to why the subject was listed in the list of business for yesterday would have prevented any member to raise any issue concerning the farm sector, including 3 farm bills that some members were keen to raise in the House and even demanding their withdrawal. Yesterday was a golden opportunity for the concerned members to have gone on record with their positions on all issues relating to the right of the farmers. But it was not to the, please have the decency at least, as the chair is saying something, at least to hear it. You may not agree, that's a different matter. The positions on all issues to the right of farmers, but it was not to be, as the sole intention seems to be, not to allow the House to function.
Sir, 35 bills have been passed.
Right at the start of the proceedings of the House yesterday, I have cautioned them not to take up the listed discussion on farm sector.
राज्यसभा में बुधवार को भी कागज फाड़कर उछाले गए। इसके बाद शाम को राज्यसभा की कार्यवाही भी अनिश्चितकाल के लिए स्थगित कर दी गई है। इससे पहले सुबह लोकसभा की बैठक अनिश्चितकाल के लिए स्थगित कर दी गई थी। वहीं राज्यसभा के नेता और केंद्रीय मंत्री पीयूष गोयल ने राज्यसभा में दिए बयान में कहा कि आज विपक्षी सदस्यों के इरादे पूरी तरह पता चले हैं। उन्होंने पैनल चेयरमैन, टेबल स्टाफ व महासचिव पर हमले का प्रयास किया।
विपक्ष की मंशा शायद अब ध्यान में आता है कि पहले दिन से ही हाउस को ठीक से सुचारू रूप से चलने ना देने की मंशा लेके ही शायद इस सदन में आए थे। अब जब हम याद करते हैं एक घटनाएं, और घटनाएं तो शुरू दिन से ही लगातार इस प्रकार की रही जो बहुत शर्मनाक थी, जिसने इस सदन की गरिमा को पूरी तरीके से नष्ट करने की कोशिश की, और एक प्रकार से जो व्यवहार हमने कई बड़े वरिष्ठ साथियों का भी देखा, मैं समझता हूं आज पूरे देश के लिए बहुत शर्म की बात है कि इस प्रकार से सदन के अंदर जो अपमान सदन का किया गया, जो अपमान चेयर का किया गया।
बता दें कि दोनों सदनों की बैठकें अनिश्चितकाल तक स्थगित होने का मतलब है कि अब संसद के मानसून सत्र का अवसान हो जाएगा। 19 जुलाई से शुरू हुआ ये सत्र 13 अगस्त तक चलना था, लेकिन हंगामे और व्यवधान के कारण ये 2 दिन पहले ही खत्म हो गया। वीडियो डेस्क amarujala.com।
डाउनलोड करें अमर उजाला ऐप और पाएं खबरें लगातार।
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।